This is what we're dealing with today here, folks. Hey guys, you're watching Big Faces and Briefcases, and today I have a very exciting unboxing for you. I've been waiting a very long time to get this watch, straight from Australia. This watch is also very reminiscent of Australia, and I'm going to show you why. Just stay tuned. Let's get this bad boy opened. Oh, would you look at that? Here's a close-up look at today's piece. This is gorgeous, one of a kind. As you can see, it has a clear construction all the way around, including the band. Features the iconic diesel branding, as any authentic diesel should. The band has a nice texture on it. The dials all have the authentic diesel engravings, and the face, it has a kind of rough, hazy, kind of textured glass on it, which is nice because it almost reminds me of the texture of sand, and the colors as well. They transition nicely into each other and bring a tropical paradise to my watch collection. Alright guys, there you have it. This is my latest watch to my collection. Let me know what you think about this watch in the comments below. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Thank you as always for watching Big Faces and Briefcases. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Until next time.